Hello dear student, how are you? I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. In this situation, the COVID-19 is hampering your study, you know. So, if you watch regularly the online school class, I hope that this class will help you. Now, I am going to present you a class, English second paper on simple complex compound. Look at the blackboard. Simple sentence. What is simple sentence? We know one clause, one subject, one finite verb. This is simple sentence. Now, we should know what is finite verb. Finite verb, a verb that completes the speech of the sentence, which is limited by number and person of the subject and changes its form according to the tense, is called finite verb. Complex sentence. What is complex sentence? One principal clause, one or more subordinate clause. In the complex sentence, one principal clause, one subordinate clause. What is compound sentence? Look at the blackboard. Look at the board. More than one principal clause and connected by conjunction. Now, I am writing a sentence on the board. I am sure of my success. In this sentence, I is only one subject and am is finite verb. So it is simple sentence. Next. I am sure that I will be successful. In this sentence, we can see that I am sure. This is principal clause. And I will be successful. It is another clause. That I will be successful is a subordinate clause. We can see that in this sentence, one principal clause and other is subordinate clause. That is why this is called complex sentence. I am writing another sentence. I will be successful. SUCCESSFUL. Successful, and I will be successful and I am sure, SURE, sure of it. In the third sentence, we can see that there are two principal clauses. I will be successful is principal clause. And I am sure of it is another principal clause. There are two principal clauses here. And is a conjunction. In this sentence, and is a conjunction. So, two principal clauses are connected by conjunction. So, it is compound sentence. We learned the difference of three sentence: simple, complex, compound. Now, after then, I shall know how it convert. Now we shall try to change simple to complex. Closing the door, I went out. This is simple sentence. In this sentence, I only one subject, went only one verb. This is simple sentence. If I want to change into complex, we have to use at first when, because this sentence express time. If any simple sentence express time, then we have to use when. When I closed when I closed the door, I went out. In this sentence, I is subject. In this sentence, I is subject. Here are two subject. And two verb. In this sentence, when is used because this is complex sentence. If I change into compound, what can I do? I close the door. I closed the door is one principal clause, and I went out is another principal clause. These two principal clause is connected by and. So, this is compound sentence. I I studied hard to pass well in the exam. This is simple sentence. In this sentence, I is only one subject. Studied is finite verb. So this is simple sentence. If I want to turn into complex, we have to do. Then in the place of to, we have to use so that. I studied hard. I studied hard so that I might pass well in the exam. This is complex sentence. In this sentence, I studied hard is principal clause. That I might pass well, and this is subordinate clause. That is why this is complex sentence. Next, besides giving money, he gave good advice. This is simple sentence. In this sentence, he is only one subject. Gave is finite verb. That is, it is a simple sentence. If we want to change the subject into complex, what can I do? Then, instead of besides, we have to use not only but also. He gave money, he gave not only, he gave not only money, gave not only money but also good advice. In the sentence, we can see that he gave not only money but also advice. He gave not only money but also get base. This is complex sentence. In this sentence, one is principal clause, one is subordinate clause. Another sentence we have to write. If we convert it into compound, he gave money and good advice. Good in the sentence we can see that he gave money. This is one principal clause. And good advice. This is another principal clause. These principal clauses are connected by an conjunction. That is, it is compound sentence. I am writing another sentence. He is too weak to move. In this sentence, we can see that he is only one subject, is finite verb, that it is, so it is simple sentence. If you want to turn into complex, what can I do? We can use so instead of to. He is so weak that he can't move. He is so weak that he cannot move. In this sentence, he is so weak is principal clause, that he cannot move is a subordinate clause. That is, it is complex sentence. Now I shall write another sentence. I could not attend school because of my illness. I could not attend school because of my illness. This is simple sentence. If we change into complex sentence, then we have to use because. By using because, we can change into complex sentence. Then we have to write I could not attend school I could not attend school because I was ill. In the sentence, we can see that I could not attend school is principal clause. Because I was ill is subordinate clause. That is, it is complex sentence. Now, we know that how can we change simple to complex. There are some note or formula technique. If you watch this technique or formula, then you have to know. This class will help you if you watch regularly. I hope that you will watch this class regularly. Present government is encouraging us to deliver online school class. I hope that you always try to watch this class. Thank you.